Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners in New Orleans, thanks to their unique design, which allows for superior ventilation and rain protection. Their top-hinged operation means they open outward, allowing fresh air into your home even during light rain, without the risk of water entering. However, like any part of your home, awning windows require regular maintenance and cleaning to ensure their longevity and continued efficiency. In this article, we'll share some practical tips for maintaining and cleaning your awning windows in New Orleans, helping you keep them looking great and functioning properly for years to come. Regular cleaning for clear glass and improved visibility. The New Orleans climate, with its humidity and occasional rain, can leave your windows looking a bit cloudy or dirty over time. Regular cleaning not only enhances the appearance of your windows but also ensures they allow as much natural light in as possible. Use the right cleaning solution. For the glass, use a mild, non-abrasive window cleaner or a mixture of water and white vinegar. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the window's surface or frame. Always use a soft cloth or microfiber towel to avoid scratching the glass. Clean the exterior and interior. Awning windows have frames and glass both on the interior and exterior, so it's important to clean both sides. For the outside of your awning window, use a step ladder or extension hook to reach the top hinged area safely. Clean the glass thoroughly, removing dust, dirt, and water spots. Dry the glass. After cleaning, always dry the glass with a clean, dry towel to prevent streaks and water spots. This step is especially important in a humid climate like New Orleans, where leftover moisture can lead to streaks that are harder to remove later. Check and clean the window frames regularly. Awning windows have frames that can accumulate dirt, dust, and debris. Keeping these clean not only improves the appearance of your windows but also helps maintain their functionality. Inspect for dirt and debris. Look for dirt, leaves, or other debris that may collect in the window frame, especially in the corners or around the hinges. This debris can interfere with the proper operation of the window and may also trap moisture, which could lead to mold growth or corrosion over time. Clean the frames. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the frames, removing any dirt and debris. For vinyl frames, you can use a mild detergent solution, but avoid harsh chemicals that might damage the material. Wooden frames may require a specialized cleaner or polish to maintain their appearance and prevent damage from moisture. Inspect for damage. Regularly check the frames for any signs of wear, such as cracking, warping, or peeling paint. Wooden frames, in particular, can be vulnerable to water damage, so it's essential to keep them well sealed and protected. Lubricating the hinges and mechanism. Awning windows rely on hinges and mechanical components to open and close smoothly. Regular maintenance of these parts is crucial for ensuring that your windows operate without resistance or difficulty. Lubricate the hinges. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the hinges to keep them working smoothly. Avoid using petroleum-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and grime, causing the hinges to become sticky over time. Regular lubrication prevents rust and ensures that the window opens and closes easily. Check the opening mechanism. Some awning windows come with a crank mechanism that allows you to open and close the window. Ensure the crank operates smoothly and lubricate if necessary. This will prevent the mechanism from becoming stiff or hard to turn, which could eventually lead to malfunction. Inspect the weather stripping and seals. Awning windows are designed to be airtight and weather resistant, making them energy efficient. However, the weather stripping and seals around the window can wear out over time, especially with frequent use or exposure to the elements. This can result in air leaks or water infiltration, affecting your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Inspect the seals regularly. Check the weather stripping around the window frame for any signs of wear or damage. If the seals are cracked, brittle, or torn, they need to be replaced to prevent air or water from leaking in. Replace damaged weather stripping. If you find any damage, replace the weather stripping with new material designed specifically for windows. This will improve your window's energy efficiency and ensure it continues to protect your home from the outside elements. Cleaning the window tracks and sills. The tracks and sills of awning windows can accumulate dirt, debris, and moisture. If left unclean, this buildup can impede the smooth operation of the window and, over time, lead to mold growth or corrosion. Vacuum the tracks. Use a small vacuum or handheld attachment to remove dust and debris from the tracks. This helps prevent the buildup of particles that could cause the window to become stuck or difficult to operate. Wipe down the sills. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the sills and remove any dirt or moisture that has collected. This is particularly important in New Orleans, where humidity can encourage mold growth in areas like the sills. Addressing moisture and humidity issues. Living in New Orleans means dealing with high humidity, which can contribute to mold, mildew, and condensation inside your home. It's important to regularly check your windows for signs of moisture buildup. Dealing with condensation. If you notice condensation between the panes of glass, it could be a sign that the window seal has failed. In this case, the window may need to be repaired or replaced to prevent further moisture buildup and improve insulation. Preventing mold and mildew. If you see any signs of mold or mildew around your awning windows, clean it immediately with a mold-killing solution. Make sure to dry the affected area completely to prevent further growth. Regular cleaning and maintaining proper ventilation in your home can help prevent these issues. Conclusion. Maintaining and cleaning your awning windows in New Orleans doesn't have to be difficult, but it is essential for ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. By regularly cleaning the glass, inspecting and maintaining the frames, lubricating the hinges, checking the seals, and addressing moisture issues, you can keep your windows functioning smoothly and looking great for years. Regular maintenance not only improves the energy efficiency and aesthetics of your home but also helps protect your investment in your windows, ensuring they continue to provide comfort and protection for your home.